Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Reddit. Our CDN was unable to reach our servers. Here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in CMD, click run as administrator, click yes. Once it opens, you want to type in ipconfig /space /release. Click enter. Now type in ipconfig //DNS. Enter. Now type in ipconfig /renew. Now type in net shint space IP reset. And last thing you want to type in net sh space winsock space reset. And now type in exit. Now, if you haven't fixed your issue yet and you cannot open Reddit, try either using different browser and see if that helps. Now, if that doesn't help, what you can do is press Ctrl and F5 and it will deeply reset the page, or click here on this and then go cookie site data and then manage cookies. And then you want to delete both reddit.com and Google. All of these you want to delete and then relaunch Reddit and it should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Reddit. Our CDN wasn't able to reach our servers. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.